Welcome. If you've ever wanted to let others share your Facebook stories to their own, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it with the latest update. It only takes a minute, and once you've turned it on, your friends and followers will be able to spread your stories more easily, helping your posts reach even more people. First, grab your phone and open the Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to adjust. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines that's your menu icon. Give it a tap. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Settings and Privacy. When you see it, tap to expand the options, then select Settings. This is where all your account preferences are stored, including tools for controlling who can see and interact with your stories. Next, under Audience and Visibility, tap on Stories. Here you'll find several settings related to how your stories appear to others. Things like viewing permissions and sharing features. Once inside the story settings, look for the option that says allow others to share your public stories to their own story. By default, this option might be turned off, especially if you've never changed it before. Simply toggle it on. That's it. You've successfully updated your settings. From now on, whenever you post a public story, others will be able to share it directly to their story, making your content easier to spread and enjoy. If you ever change your mind, just come back to the same place and turn it off again. Facebook will remember your choice right away. So if you're ready to boost your visibility and make your stories travel further, go ahead and switch on that sharing option today. It's a simple adjustment that can make a big difference in how your stories connect with others.